Hi everyone and welcome to another product review video. In this episode we'll be unboxing and testing the Gamesir F8 Pro Snowgon mobile cooling grip, and at the end of the video I will give my honest opinion about this product. Gamesir also provided few more accessories and we'll check them out later in the video. The cooling grip comes in this nice little box, and on the back we have some of the product's key features. I want to point out that this grip uses a semiconductor refrigeration chip, so it's not just a fan that blows on the back of your phone. If you want to enhance your mobile gaming experience even further, Gamesir also provides the F2 Fire Stick triggers and the F5 Falcon Mini mobile gaming controller, which I will review in a separate video. And to get the most accurate temperature reading while testing the cooling grip, I will be using this infrared thermometer. So guys, let's start with the unboxing. In this separate package we get a USB cable which is needed to power the cooling grip, a user manual, warranty and some Gamesir stickers. And we can finally get our hands on the Gamesir F8 Pro Cooling Grip. You'll also get this really cool adjustable joystick to maximize your performance in mobile games. The Gamesir F8 Pro can be extended and it supports phones with length up to 173mm. On the bottom side we find the USB Type-C power input. The RGB backlit cooling fan is located on the back of the grip, and below it we can see the on and off switch. Another key point is that the cooling grip requires no additional apps or setting up, which is pretty awesome. So now let's place our phone on the cooling grip. First we have to remove this sticker to expose the rubber conductive pad. The Gamesir cooling grip needs an external power supply and I will be using my phone charger to power the device. Before we turn it on, let's measure its ambient temperature, and it's around 29 degrees Celsius. After turning on the device, we can immediately feel that the conductive pad is getting noticeably cooler. In fact, it's already at 17 degrees and dropping even more. I've placed my phone on the cooling grip, and as you can see, this little mobile gaming setup definitely looks nice. To test the cooling capabilities of the Gamesir grip, I will be playing 2 rounds of Call of Duty Mobile for around 15 minutes with the cooling grip turned on and then with the cooling grip turned off. As you can see, I've started the game and the temperature of my phone with the cooling grip turned on is around 30 degrees Celsius. So let's play for a couple of minutes and see if my phone heats up.
Reloading! Cover me! Enemy down! Enemy contact! Enemy down! Tango down! Contact with enemy! Target in sight! Reloading! Reloading! Cover me!
Taking the lead.
Contact with enemy! Back up! Target's in sight!
It's too close. Fight hard. Tied for the lead. We've taken the lead.
Reloading! Cover me! Enemy contact! Grenade! Move! Watch out! Grenade!
What you saw was an edited footage of around 50 minutes of gameplay time, so now let's see what's the temperature of my phone. As you can see, there is practically no increase in the temperature of the device, which is pretty impressive, considering the fact that the room temperature is around 29 degrees. Now for the second test, we will turn off the Gamesir Cooling Grip and we will measure the temperature again after approximately 15 minutes of intense gameplay.
Target's in sight! Get down!
We've taken the lead.
Sniper! Need backup! Enemy contact! Tango down! Get down! Sniper! Target's in sight! Contact with enemy! Enemy contact! Headshot! Contact with enemy! Target down! Contact with enemy! Enemy down! Target's inside! Sniper! Get down! Sniper! Sniper down! Enemy contact! Need backup! Contact with enemy! Enemy contact! Contact with enemy! Reloading! Cover me! Target down! Reloading! Cover me! Enemy contact! Tango down! Enemy down!
Now guys, I had a few awesome games and I can already feel that my phone is getting significantly hotter. When we measure its temperature, we can see that we are already at 39-38 degrees and increasing. Now, the results of these two quick tests show that the Gamesir F8 Cooling Grip does a perfect job of keeping your mobile device relatively cool during prolonged gaming sessions. As you know, with increased temperature, the performance of your device's CPU and GPU drops, and the high temperature is #1 enemy of your battery life. The hotter your phone gets, the faster your battery dies. Overall, I can recommend this mobile cooling grip, and if you're interested in this product, you can find the link to the Gamesir store in the video description. Hope you guys liked the video and see you next time.